Hi, I'm Chris from Evoluted. I'm a Senior PPC Account Executive and I'll be going through the most common pitfalls beginners have on Google Ads accounts. The first one is daily budgets. While each account can have a daily budget set for each campaign, this isn't a strict rule and it can be twice as much as you've set. So it's always best to make sure that you put it slightly lower than you expect and to check your account daily. Furthermore, when it comes to the daily budgets, you have to take in consideration that Google averages it over 30.4 days. So the best thing to do here is to take your budget for the month, divide it by 31 and use it as a baseline, and then you can work from there going forward. One of Google Ads' latest features is a responsive search ads, where you can have up to 15 different headlines and 4 different descriptions. And Google will then mix and match these live as auctions come in. One of the biggest pitfalls regarding this is people pinning every single headline and description. We recommend only pinning the important ones that you need to have mentioned in every single ad. This way it gives Google more variety and more chance to mix it up a little bit. Another feature Google Ads is pushing hard at the moment is the auto-applied recommendations. We recommend not having any of these applied straight away, but getting to know your account first, reviewing the recommendations tab within Google Ads, and then after a few months, deciding which recommendations you have the trust in Google to apply itself and which ones you want to continue doing yourself. When setting up a search campaign, we strongly recommend that you take the display network out and have that as a separate campaign if you do wish to show display ads. This way, you can ensure that your text-based ads only appear within the search campaigns and your display ads show in your display campaigns. This gives you better attribution and makes it easier for you to report on. It will also improve your conversion rate and click-through rate in the long run. With Google Ads' recent changes to how keyword match types work, we strongly recommend that you regularly check your search term reports to make sure no irrelevant traffic is getting into your account. You can easily do this by going to keywords and then search terms. In here you can see which keywords are generating which search terms, and therefore you can negate them out or pause the keyword entirely if it's just bringing in bad traffic. Our final tip is around conversions and how you set them up. We recommend that you double check the settings you have, making sure that you've got the count set to either all or 1, depending on the type you're setting up, and making sure that you exclude any irrelevant goals as soon as they're no longer needed in the account. This way it will keep your reporting clean and accurate.